Upgrading your doors is an exciting step toward improving your home's comfort, security, and appearance. If you're planning a door installation in Dallas, a little preparation can go a long way in ensuring the process is smooth, efficient, and stress-free. Knowing what to expect and how to get your home ready helps protect your space and allows installers to complete the job quickly and correctly. One of the first steps in preparing your home is clearing the area around the door. This includes both the interior and exterior sides. Move furniture, rugs, decor, and any fragile items away from the entryway to create a safe, open workspace. On the outside, remove planters, outdoor furniture, or decorations near the door. In Dallas homes, where entryways often connect to patios or front porches, having clear access allows installers to work more efficiently and reduces the risk of accidental damage. It's also important to ensure easy access for the installation team. Make sure pathways, driveways, and entry points are free of obstacles so materials and tools can be brought in without delay. If you have pets or small children, consider keeping them in a separate area during the installation. This not only keeps them safe but also helps the process move along without interruptions. Another key part of preparation is protecting your home's interior. While professional installers typically use drop cloths and protective coverings, you can take extra steps by removing nearby wall hangings or valuables. Door installation may involve some movement or vibration, especially when removing the old door, so securing items in advance helps prevent accidental damage. Before installation day, it's helpful to review your new door specifications and confirm details with your contractor. This includes verifying the door style, swing direction, hardware, and any additional features. Taking the time to confirm these details ensures that everything is installed according to your preferences and avoids last-minute surprises. Checking the condition of your existing door frame is another important step. While your installer will handle any necessary adjustments, being aware of potential issues such as moisture damage or warping can help you understand the scope of the project. In Dallas, where heat and occasional storms can affect exterior structures, addressing these concerns early helps ensure a successful installation. You should also plan for temporary changes during the installation process. Since your door will be removed and replaced, there may be brief periods when your home is exposed to outside air. While installers work efficiently to minimize this time, it's a good idea to adjust your indoor temperature accordingly and plan for any minor disruptions. Communication with your installer is essential for a smooth experience. Ask about the expected timeline, any specific preparation steps, and what you can expect on installation day. Clear communication helps set expectations and ensures that both you and the installation team are on the same page. Another helpful step is to make arrangements for parking if needed. Installation teams often bring equipment and materials that require close access to your home. Providing a convenient parking space can help speed up the process and reduce delays. If your new door includes advanced features such as upgraded locks or smart technology, take some time to familiarize yourself with how they work. This will make it easier to use your new door once installation is complete and help you take full advantage of its features. After the installation, a quick walkthrough with your installer is recommended. This allows you to check that the door opens and closes smoothly, seals properly, and meets your expectations. It's also a good opportunity to ask any questions about maintenance or care. In the end, preparing your home for door installation in Dallas is all about creating a safe, accessible, and organized environment. By clearing the space, protecting your belongings, and communicating with your installer, you help ensure the process goes smoothly from start to finish. With the right preparation, you can look forward to enjoying a new door that enhances your home's comfort, security, and overall appeal.